Hello, welcome to Becoming Aquaculture Expert Part 1 course. I'm Hidayah Taufik, your instructor here. Thank you for your interest in enrolling in this course. To tell you a little bit about myself, I've been involved in aquaculture research and industry for more than 10 years now. Studied and got my doctoral degree by doing research about aquaculture nutrition. I'm a big believer in sustainable aquaculture because it is the way to produce seafood sustainably. Since you're here, you might be wondering, is this the right course for you? Let me see if I can help. Are you interested in producing your own seafood either for self-consumption or for commercial purpose? If you are, then you're in the right place. Either you're a true beginner who doesn't know where the fish that you consume come from, or more experienced aquaculturists or students who would like to add more value-added knowledge about aquaculture, this course is where you should start. In this course, you will learn about species related to freshwater, marine and brackish water aquaculture, the history of aquaculture, and we will look into aquaculture systems involved, which include pond, raceway, cage, recirculation aquaculture system, and aquaponic. How to choose the right site for your farm, what should you consider prior to running your own farm, and other concerns about aquaculture that you might relate to, and I will also address the solutions for these concerns. By the end of this course, you will learn the basic of aquaculture practice that you could utilize in your own farm. Upon releasing this course, around 2,500 students have enrolled and provide great feedback so far. Although this is the beginner course, but the students have learned so many new things that they never knew before. And I hope you would too. If you're interested about seafood and want to learn how to produce your product sustainably and strategically, and above all, you love learning, then you are most welcome to enroll in this course. See you in the course!